Okay, boys and girls, these are Miami Vice Popsicles. Now, how many of you know Miami Vice, okay? I'm not talking Jamie Foxx and Colin Farrell, okay? I'm talking Don Johnson and, what's the black dude's name?
From the original?
Yeah.
How the hell am I supposed to...
Okay, and the black dude with the curly hair, that's what I'm talking about, okay? So that's frozen strawberries, lime juice, that's how far back I go, okay? Okay, I go deep. Grenadine, all right? Some water in there, and then we blend away. Miami Vice, okay?
Philip Michael Thomas.
That's what I said, Philip Michael Thomas. Yes, that was his name. Hey, Philip Michael Thomas, how you doing? Okay, don't take that personal. Call us up, we'll make something together. Okay, so we put our little mix in there. And now we can, okay, all right. Beautiful, beautiful. She shake, 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 shake. And now we can put that in the freezer to harden, okay? And while that's hardening, we can make our second part, okay? Rum, look at you. Okay, get some rum in there. Follow that rum up with some pineapple juice, yes. And then follow that up with some coconut milk. By the way, guys, if you want, well, I mean, I guess you gotta travel to see this, but if you want to see a lot of twist on these drinks, like strawberry daiquiris and pina coladas and Miami Vices, take a trip to the Caribbean sometime and watch how they mix stuff, because it's so much different from the way stuff's done here in America. You know, I mean, it's crazy, especially for a bartender. I'll give you an idea what I mean. Okay, here in America, strawberry daiquiri and the liquors all mixed together, whereas in the Caribbean, like in places like the Bahamas, they put the alcohol in separately. Okay, so it's like a virgin daiquiri that you pour into alcohol, and it's a huge twist on it. It's definitely worth a try. Okay, so let's look at these Miami Vice Popsicles now. Okay, beautiful, delicious. Take a little bite. Okay, we have someone standing by to bite these. Okay,